is Melanie, and this is Alex. We're here from the CPNP student chapter of Oregon State University, Oregon Health and Sciences University from the College of Pharmacy. So we're going to present today on mindfulness, just the topic of mindfulness and how you can choose to be more mindful in your everyday life and kind of help manage some of your stress. So what is mindfulness? So mindfulness is the act of being completely present in the current moment and eliminating judgment or other thoughts, noisy thought cycles going on in your mind. And when you're mindful, you're able to separate your current identity from the thoughts and the reality and feelings in the moment and realize that your thoughts do not define yourself as a person. So some mindfulness practices that you can start employing is just beginning to have some current experiences with non-judgmental awareness and identifying the automatic responses to your current experiences that could be potentially harmful to you and your mental health. And also reinforcing, but some more about mindfulness is just reinforcing the positive coping styles in your life and making sure you can employ these. And some exercises for beginners just to get you guys started is that you can perform these at any time. You don't need a healthcare provider. Some different exercises would be the raisin exercise, the body scan, which we're going to do in a few minutes, mindful seeing, mindful listening, 5 sense exercise, walking down the street technique, and the 3-minute breathing space. And I'm also going to send out some notes for mindfulness. You guys can look into these on your own and gain some of the tools that you can start doing these from home. But we're just going to do the body scan so everyone is at least familiar with that one. So the body scan, I'm going to have everyone make sure that they're sitting, or you can be laying down in a comfortable space. So if you are sitting like most of us do all day anyway, just make sure that your feet are touching the floor, firmly planted on the floor, and that you're lying really still or sitting really still. And then you can go ahead and close your eyes if that's something that you're comfortable with. And then I just want everyone to start paying attention to their breath, not judging their breath, just noticing the pace of their breath, the rhythm of their breath, and how their breath is feeling in and out. And then if you're not sure to hold your breath, just bringing conscious awareness to your breath. And then I want everyone to notice how their body is feeling. So if there's any places that are stuck in your body, any different sensations, how your clothing is feeling against your body, the feeling of your feet on the floor, the temperature of your body, and just the general environment that you're in. Anything that feels heavy or light in your body. And then we're just going to do a scan of your body from bottom to top. So just keep your normal breathing rate and pay attention to your feet and how they feel on the floor. And then you're going to pay attention to your lower legs, your knees, your abdomen, and just keep your breathing rate. Pay attention to your chest, how your lower back feels against your chair, your upper back, the feeling of your hands, your arms, your neck, and your face and your jaw. And then you can open your eyes and start to come back to the present moment and realize how that felt to just be more conscious of your breathing and your body. And you can do these practices at any time as well, just to get a little taste of what being mindful is like.
Okay, thanks, Melanie, for that. That was really nice. I feel nice and relaxed now. So some other activities that you can do to help with gaining more mindfulness. A big one would be yoga, as well as meditation, which is similar to the body scans or other breathing exercises. And you're just focusing on something specific and trying to keep that in mind, but also if other thoughts arise, then you just accept what comes up in your mind and move past it, and you don't have to have any judgment or blame or anything like that. And that definitely will help with just being able to slow down your mind and help cope with stress and anxiety. And then, like I mentioned, deep breathing exercises is those are similar as well. And you're just focusing on your breath. And some other relaxation techniques can also help as well, like the body scan we just did, and then massage as well, because they both just slow down your conscious thoughts and let your mind and body both relax. And so we have seen in some studies that there are a lot of benefits of mindfulness. Um, they've even seen that people that practice mindfulness on a normal basis for extended periods of time even have higher life expectancy. There are also a lot less lonely, sad, or isolated feelings. So they usually have a better positive outlook. Um, and I think part of that also is kind of hand in hand with the fact that it reduces stress and anxiety a lot. And that's something, especially as students, that we can use as a coping mechanism, especially because stress and anxiety can really take a toll on your body, especially, well, medically, it can, you've seen that it can raise your blood pressure. You can have chest pains, or it can really mess with your sleep. You can have heart palpitations, or just any number of medical issues that can come with stress and anxiety. And they've also seen that it can worsen symptoms in Alzheimer's patients. Um, they have also seen that mindfulness can help reduce hospitalizations, just using that mind-body connection to keep your body healthy, and that can in turn reduce healthcare costs. And then they have also seen there's improved sense of mood. They usually, the people that practice this often will have more, they'll feel more meaning to their life, and they usually have a lot larger improvement in sleep. And mindfulness is one of those things that is completely affordable, because you can essentially do it for free. It's something you can do anytime that you have a spare minute, or you just want to relax for a second. And so it's obviously more affordable than just falling back on prescription drug therapy or psychotherapy or other um, therapies, or other things like that that are usually more expensive. And so we just wanted to end you on this quote. Um, and it says that every one of us already has the seed of mindfulness. The practice is to cultivate it. And essentially, we just wanted to reinforce that it's just something that anybody can do. You can do it without any money. You just pick a little bit of time. That's all you need. And it's something that once you do it on a normal basis, you'll really see the benefit of it. So we definitely encourage you guys to practice mindfulness on a normal basis.
Yeah, thank you guys for listening to our presentation, and we will provide those notes on mindfulness as well so that everyone can review those if they want.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.